Did you know that you can actually use your social media accounts to generate revenue during coronavirus downtime? If you were recently impacted by the coronavirus and looking for ways to make money from home, this is just for you. Right now more than ever, brands need to keep their products and services in front of consumers. This is where you come in. Through affiliate marketing techniques, brands are looking for people to help them market and promote their products, goods, and services. It's 100% free to join and they pay you. Every time you recommend products, goods, or services that someone buys, you will receive a commission for doing so. That's right, brands will pay you for free to promote their products. Once a purchase is made through your affiliate tracking link, you will be credited to receive a cash commission. 4 core key players. The merchant, which is identified as the advertiser, retailer, or brand. The network, the supplier of affiliate marketing, offers to choose from an authority that handles all payments to the affiliate as the publisher. The publisher, the affiliate marketer that promotes and market offers from the merchant. The customer, the individual influenced to make the purchase online using a custom link provided by the affiliate marketer. Visit timerichempire.com to learn more and get a link to plug you into all of the top merchants to partner with. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel.